Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to histology, identification points of cerebellum for histology practical and slide. There are three identification points of cerebellum. Number one, outer gray matter is present. Number two, inner white matter is present. Number three, outer gray matter having three layers. Number one, molecular layer. Number two, Purkinje cell layer. Number three, granular layer. These are the three identification points of cerebellum for histology, practical and slide. I already upload the slide detailed explanation video of cerebellum on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. Now I will upload these identification points also. On my YouTube channel you can find general histology, special histology, each slide detailed explanation video and each slide identification points. If you like my video, press the like button and share this video with your friends. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button and also press the bell icon to open the all notification for receiving my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.